Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss the latest updates. So, let's get started. Hey guys, in this session we are going to learn about IAM services. So IAM stands for Identity Access Management. So this is one of the service of AWS. What IAM does is IAM creates an account for us. So once you have created your account, you will be giving AWS will give you a root account. From that account you need to create another account. Guys, I'm telling you, due to security reasons, don't use your root account. Once you have created your account, I will show you what the things need to be set it up, so that you will be easier for you for next usage of AWS portal. So once you are inside the portal, you need to take IAM. Here in the search bar, just click on IAM. So once you are inside the IAM portal, so you'll be seeing all these terms over here. You can see dashboard. We are actually in the dashboard at now. So you can see here we have two users as of now, and roles we have groups. So what are users, roles and groups? Let me clarify you. So the users, if you're familiar with an Active Directory, Windows based Active Directory, you'll be seeing a users over there, right? So if you click on users, we have some users like one of my friend Rakesh, and we have like a session over there. If you want to see my Telugu session, you can go through my AWS live Telugu uh, playlist in my YouTube channel. You just can watch the playlist. So as of now I'm creating a user. Let assume your name is YouTube user. Okay, YouTube user. So here I'm creating a user for you, YouTube user. So not that YouTube, let's go with my channel. Let me hack it. Okay, just type let me hack it and just click on giving manageable console access. So I will be getting the password here. So if you want generate a custom password, you can generate your own custom password. Okay, so let me just check whether, okay fine, it's showing. So let me set my password over here. Okay, so I have set my password over here, and now just click on next. Before going to start, like, there is another option called generate password. Once you click on this generate, if you click here, it will be downloading a CSV file. Inside the CSV file you will be getting a password. Okay, so as of now I'm creating my custom password over here. So clicking on next, it will be showing the permissions. What are the permissions you want to assign to this user? So if you want to create a group, like you need to create a group. As of now I'm not doing it. Okay, so we'll see how to add the users inside the group later on. So as of now I'm going making this as a blank. Just go to next. We have a tags. If you want use this tags as a name, the name is my account for the identity purpose. Okay, this is nothing but tag. So click next. So we have user, let me hack it. So all the details over here. Now create a user. So we have created our account. So we have like download CSV file. If you download the CSV file, you will be downloading a CSV file over here. You can see here you downloaded. In this CSV file you will be having your credentials and user IDs over there. So we have a link here. If you click on this link, you will be redirected to your link. How to change this link? Let me show you. So you can see here, let me delete these two users. They are not in use as of now. Just click on delete, and okay, one at a time, fine. Delete. Now accounts are deleted, fine. We have one user, let me hack it, username. Okay, so now we want to add some policies to it. So in terms of one user, it is fine, we can directly add a user. Just clicking on it, just open it, just click here and go to access advisors. Not here, I believe. Okay, we have like resource permission over here, permissions, add permissions. You can add directly the permission existing policy. Oh yeah, if you want to give administrative privilege to this guy, so let me hack it. So just give the administrative access to it by clicking on here. If you don't want, if you have like hundreds of users you have created in your AWS repository, and for all the users you want to give your access, then in that kind of scenario you need to create a group for them. Okay, group is nothing but the OUs in terms of AWS Active Directory. Okay, hope you're following me. So create a group, just tell that group my YouTube channel. Okay, next. So it's telling that there should be no spaces in between, so just delete the spaces and just create it. Fine. So for this, what are the policies you want to attach? I want to attach administrative access, so just type administrative access, just click administrative access checkbox and just click next. Let me show you one more thing. If you want to give only CloudWatch service access, if the user need to be only using CloudWatch as a service, not other services, if you click here, only this user can open only CloudWatch in terms of services, but other services like IAM and other services like EC2 he cannot use those. So if don't click on this, just go with only one, administrative access. So you can see it's a checkbox and just go to next. Now create a group. So we have created a group, we have 0 users in it. So let's go into group and we have users. Click here, add to the user group. So we have one user, let me hack it, just click here. If you have hundreds users, just click on one checkbox, 100 users will be selected. So just next, the user has been selected now. He got all the accesses which have been provided to this group. Okay, by this we can give accesses to multiple users. So if you see here, we have another option called roles, which are specifically provided to the resources. Resources are nothing but, I can see we have lots of roles over here configured. I have configured it previously, so if you want to delete them, you can directly click each and everything and delete them. So what we does, these roles are belongs to, we can assign these roles to directly resources in the sense are servers. So let me show you in the coming classes what are those. So as of now, you just mentioned that users are for user specific, roles are for machine specific. Okay, so if you're familiar with Active Directory, it's are like administrative access for users, administrative access for machines, if you're familiar with Active Directory. So till here that's about IAM, and we have one more thing need to be set up. So let me show you that too. So it will be deleted. So we have here, you can see I have all the boxes are green as of now, but once you are logged in to your account, there will be some options which are need to be set up, like active MFA on your root account. Just click here, manage your MFA, and you just configure your multi-factor authentication with your device. As of now mine is already set. If you are not set, it will be showing to set. Just click here and you need to download a app called authentication, Google authentication, and scan this URI QR code. Okay, if you unscan the code, you will be good to go. And second thing, we need to be set the password length. If you click here, the password length should be at least 16 characters. So it is been authenticated to my account again, so it will be showing to set up your password. Okay, so now I am going to my just click here and type let me hack it. My account name is let me hack it. Just go to my let me hack it. So not there. Okay, just select the password and sign in. You'll be seeing a multi-factor authentication over here. So just type your multi-factor authentication. Now you are into root account. See, we have password, we have everything over set up, so you can change you can edit your password from here. So once you have done that, it will be seeing lots of options over here, but as of now, as a cloud practitioner, you note no need to see this. If we are going to create sysops, AWS sysops courses too, so in that classes we will be discussing more deeper in these terms. So make sure this all need to be set green. Okay, so once you need to create your account here, and remaining classes we need to use that account as your service. So as of now, this is about IAM roles. Thank you for watching.